So I'm going to demonstrate to you how the new subtitles work in PowerPoint. As you can see, the subtitles are appearing at the bottom of my slide as I commentate. And they're not in English. How fantastic is this? We can actually get PowerPoint to translate what we say into other languages. That is amazing. Let me show you how we turn the settings to do this. It's up here. I'm on the slideshow ribbon, just here. And I've gone over to my tick box here, always use subtitles. And I've used the subtitle settings here and asked for the subtitle language to be French. Okay, so let me just prove to you that this works. So if I say that I am going to speak in French, prepare yourself. It looks like it's got to be French Canada. I don't mind. And I want to have the subtitle language come back in English. We'll see how my French is then, won't we? So let's just start from there. I'll hold down Shift and click on F5 to start from the current slide. And you can see in the bottom right hand corner it says it's listening to me. Et c'est mieux quand on peut actuellement parler langue.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it gave you a laugh. My French, well, if anybody's got to learn anything next year, it needs a good revision, doesn't it? Anyway, I hope I was able to show you that it's really easy to add captions in your own language, and if you want to, you could speak another language and turn it into, whichever language you need. Goodbye. Hopefully you'll find that interesting and you can comment on it below.